Hannibal might have been off the air since 2015, but fans of the baroque serial killer drama are still hopeful that one more season of death and dying could be on the way. Hi, I'm Sapna. Welcome to our channel US News Box, and let's start the video now. The show, created by Bryan Fuller and based on the novels of Thomas Harris, ran for 3 seasons and acquired a passionate fan base before it was cancelled. And now the deliciously morbid crime series has found an even wider audience since being added to Netflix in early June. Not to be confused with the movie of the same name, which stars Anthony Hopkins in the title role. Hannibal centers on Mads Mikkelsen's performance as a charismatic psychiatric Dr. Hannibal Lecter. Hugh Dancy plays Will Graham, the troubled criminal profiler whose investigation and professional struggle become increasingly entangled with the machinations of the murderous doctor of this show. Ensemble's cast also included Lawrence Fishburne and Gillian Anderson. When Netflix confirmed that all 3 seasons of the show would begin streaming on its platform on June 5th, it prompted speculation that a long-awaited 4th season might finally be on the cards. Mikkelsen himself teased the same thing on his Instagram. Showrunner Bryan Fuller, who is also behind cult faith-pushing Disease and American Gods, has maintained that the story of Hannibal Lecter and Will Graham could continue on another network or streaming services, telling Vulture in 2015 NBC cancelled the show on NBC, but that does not preclude us for being able to take this show elsewhere. Netflix also has something for a reputation for beginning new life to TV shows which have a proven built-in audience. When Fox cancelled Lucifer after 3 years, Netflix renewed it for a 4th season and made it more popular than ever. It does the same thing with the multiple seasons of other cult show with the large fan base. The show was originally conceived as a prequel of The Silence of the Lambs, but the writers always hoped they would be able to eventually include an appearance by FBI agent Clarice Starling. Now NBC is working on its Project Clarice, which follows Starling in the events following her encounter with Lecter in The Silence of the Lambs. Whether the Netflix might see much renewed interest in the Thomas Harris character as an incentive to greenlight an additional season of Hannibal remains to be seen. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please hit that red subscribe button, as 11 support is the only source of our energy.